So we're going on an adventure. We're going to hike Bull Peak. It's a mountain nearby. It stormed pretty hard yesterday. We had a lot of snow, so this should be interesting.
And we're going up to see the sunrise. Well, hopefully there's a good sunrise. Looks like someone beat us to the mountain. There's tracks going in and I think there's tracks going out, but I'm not sure. We're starting at Castle in the Clouds and gonna hike up the old rail trail that goes up there, a logging trail to the top. We're not taking the steep route because it's pretty icy out this morning. I think we're ready to go. We've packed everything. Still really dark. It's not too cold though.
We're not gonna take the snowshoes though. Do you have your poles?
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel with Dina and Nick. In the winter, life almost seems to come to a standstill. Everything and everyone tends to hibernate. Nature, plants, the sun, and even we tend to cave in as a survival mechanism. Since the beginning of this new year, a burning fire has ignited within us.
Looks like we have some coyote or some type of wild dog or fox tracks. Hopefully we see some wildlife.
Nicholas and I have this intense drive to go out there and embrace the cold and pursue adventure.
So we're going Bald Knob Trail, 2.4 miles. I knew it was called Bald Knob, not Bald Peak. We hike it in the summer. This is the first time I've hiked it in the winter.
This snowstorm was a perfect opportunity to be out there and somehow be part of it. So we went hiking a local mountain in the earliest hours of a stormy morning in hopes of catching a sunrise at the peak. Fear was a huge trigger for us, as we could think of a million reasons why not to leave in the dark on a weekend instead of sleeping in after a hard week of work and a cold, stormy Saturday morning. Embracing the fear and pursuing it, however, was a strong motivator, and it was so worth it for us. The hike was long, cold, steep, and so much more. But when we made it to the top, the view and the feeling was overwhelmingly beautiful. This brought me yet again to not only the realization, but definitely confirmation that life truly starts outside of our comfort zone. So, I am here today challenging you to do one thing, as small or big, outside your comfort zone, and share it with everyone in the comment box below.
Hiding everything in life feels very funny, and I love you so much that I longer don't know why. So Mama, every thought I have, I'm done. But it's like I know, might just meet some guy and cry a little. Help me, I need a good advice. Please don't say no, be my hero. You can tell me lies, please don't cut these ties. Need a hero, 'cause I got zero.
I don't know where we are, where the top of it is. Maybe up here? I don't know.
So this is where we are currently on the mountain. It's 6:59. Sunrise is at 7:10. But it's so cloudy today that we don't know if we're gonna catch sunrise. We're getting pretty close though. Which trail do we go? And that. And this. Oh, we made it. Shoot, still 0.75 miles that way.
We made it to the top.
Woohoo!
What time is it?
Probably 7:30.
Took a lot longer than we thought.
Only 2.5 hours later. And voila!
Yeah, the view is pretty good. The sun is behind clouds, but we do see it. It's amazing to see how much of the lake is not frozen. I'd say probably more than 50% is not. Yeah, we brought some coffee up that we're gonna warm up and have some breakfast.
We made it.
Burned your gloves.
I can't feel mine.
High five, we did it.
Wow, look at the clouds. We're literally in the clouds.
We made it to the top, but within minutes a cloud came in and it's quite cold. So we're making some coffee to warm ourselves up. And we had some breakfast.
It's super cold.
But as you can see, our view went from amazing to nothing. Ooh, the coffee is done. We're having coffee on Mount Everest at 8 in the morning.
Oh, nice.
How is it?
Oh, super nice and warm.
Does it taste good?
So good.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head.